Alright, today is May 16th, Thursday, and okay, the rain's starting to come. Okay, and I'm leaving the Magic Island at Ala Moana Beach, and so it's about 11:35 a.m. and the rain is starting to pick up a little. Okay, so yeah, today there's an emergency proclamation that there will be a flooding in many locations, but this area I'm covering is not so bad. And okay, okay, now I'm heading, yeah, this is I'm gonna drive through Waikiki, the Kalakaua Avenue, see how things are. In the past, Waikiki, there's few areas that was flooding, such as the Saratoga Road, Lewis Avenue, and such. That's because there's a pipeline where the drainage runs through the ocean, and it was blocked up too much, and rain occurred, and there's a flood. And some of the cars, they get flooded on those roads. Where once your car gets flooded, then yeah, it's no good. Everything stops on your car, and then yeah, hopefully you can salvage it. But many of the times when it's flooded, and it's considered just total. Okay, so here we go. This is the exit from Ala Moana Beach Park. And there's the Ala Moana Boulevard. Okay. Okay, so let's go. Oh yeah, rain's heavy, picking up more. It's even though it's raining, it's hard. You see a lot of short pants and such, t-shirts. Yeah, the weather-wise is really good. This is the Harbor Lane intersection. Okay, slow down a little. Okay. Yeah, this is an intersection where it takes very long time. On the right hand side, that's the Ilikai Hotel. And then afterwards, there's Hilton Hawaiian Village. turns on the right. And, yep. There's still a lot of people walking around. Yeah. And majority are tourists here. There you go. And yeah, they don't mind the rain. Rain's picking up, but still, yeah, they don't mind. That's about another 40 seconds. Oh, 45 seconds. Yeah, so yeah, it's raining pretty good, and yet people are pretty good about it. Yeah, and I can tell, yeah, these are all majority tourists. In fact, many of the tourists are enjoying the rain, refreshing. Okay. Oh, the rain's picking up. Yep. So there we go. Finally, traffic light has changed. Okay. Rain's picking up, so I had to speed up the wiper. Oh yeah, it's raining. Another red light and no right turn on, so I have to wait. Yeah, that's the bad thing about Waikiki. The traffic lights are very, very slow here. It takes a very long time. See people running even without umbrellas. They're just enjoying the rain. And here we go, Kalakaua Avenue, the main road. On the right hand side is Saratoga Road that we're just passing. Okay. Yeah. this would be Lures Street. Here we go. People coming in with ponchos. Yeah, those very, very inexpensive ponchos. In fact, maybe those are free one with the sign. Yeah, being passed out at some locations. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Free disposable ponchos. Yeah, as you can see right now, yeah, you're really seeing it. Hawaii weather, whether it rains or shines, people all around. Some people have umbrellas, and many people don't. And they're still walking around all over the place. And they don't mind getting wet. Heck, especially the people that just came out of the ocean. You're wet anyways. Surf rider. Yeah. And we're passing Moana Surf Rider now. Yeah, and this is Kailani Avenue. Okay. Let's go over to the right side of the lane. There's some free parking on Kalakaua Avenue. Yeah, I'm heading there. So I figure if there's parking available, which it should, in this rain, then I'll do some walking around in the rain. There you go. Yeah, as you can see, umbrellas are here and there, but there's also many people without it, and they don't mind. People still using their phones, yeah, and many of them, they're waterproof. So, and wow, in the beach I can see people still swimming. Yeah, why not? Only thing is, yeah, just gotta be aware there's some brown water. Yeah, but in Waikiki, this area not so bad. Shouldn't be brown. There's just areas like Alawai, like the canal, heading out to Aloiata Harbor, and also Alamona Beach, not so good. Kailua Beach is definitely no good. And there's many areas, if you see the water brown, don't go in. That's nasty. Especially if you have any cuts or anything, then good chance it's going to be infected with a variety of germs. And it could get really serious. You could end up losing your limbs. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, I can still feel my glucose still up there, so I gotta do some more walking. Yeah. Not easy, but still I have to. So let's look for a place that I can park. There you go. This Kalakaua Avenue right over here on this side. Left side is meter parking. On the right side over here, they're free. But it's based on availability. Wow. It's busy even when it's raining. Why is it? Okay. I found the parking. And yeah, this is also right under the tree. So pretty good. I made it, and I'm in Waikiki. Yeah, and just up ahead on the right side, that's the Waikiki Aquarium. Yeah, so yeah, I'm here.